Introducing Insight, a state-of-the-art, agentless, plug-and-play internal reconnaissance security platform. Insight offers complete visibility into an organization's systems and networks, along with practical mitigation strategies and AI-accelerated threat detection. It provides comprehensive capabilities for compensation and offsetting, which help organizations effectively manage security risks and threats. Through its advanced capabilities in risk compensation and mitigation, Insight empowers organizations to proactively manage and counteract security risks and threats. Insight diligently monitors your internal network around the clock, identifying anomalies within your domain seamlessly, with zero integration required. Client setup is a breeze, eliminating the need for complex installations. Simply load your license and initiate the scan. Insight conducts a swift and comprehensive assessment of your entire domain, including file systems, databases, computers, services, GPOs, and permissions inheritance, all within minutes. The result is a comprehensive overview of your organization's vulnerabilities and risks. Upon scan completion, exporting the scan findings into a detailed report is effortless. By accessing the generated report, you'll gain a complete understanding of all vulnerabilities within your network environment. Each finding is accompanied by an in-depth description and precise mitigation steps. Furthermore, individual vulnerabilities can be exported separately, streamlining your risk management process. Insight offers a comprehensive list of insights, including network drives, open ports, running processes, installed services, SPN, service principal names, and even potentially concerning policies. Every identified issue is conveniently accessible and manageable directly through the Insight user interface, streamlining your Active Directory control. Experience the next level of cybersecurity with Insight. Enhancing your organization's security posture has never been this streamlined. With Insight, you're not just gaining a security platform. You're empowering your team with the tools needed to proactively defend against emerging threats in real time.